Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you another 2 ways to easy pay with your Redmi phone. So here is Redmi Note 15 5G. Is the same also for the Pro version and the other Redmi phones. And if you want to pay with your phone, with your screen locked, you can do it. For that, just go to the top, to the control center. First, you need to have NFC enabled, and then just tap on the Google Wallet icon. Here there is. And now use your pattern or fingerprint or PIN. And of course, you need to have a card added into your Google Wallet. Then just hold to reader, and that's all. Now, a second way, for that you can go to the sidebar and here swipe and tap on plus sign and look for Google Wallet. Here there is. And now you will have it into the top. Just tap done. And if you go again to the sidebar, here is Google Wallet, tap on it. And now we have here a little window. And from here you can pay with your phone. Just hold to reader and that's all. So you have another 2 ways to pay with your phone. I hope this video to be useful for you. If you like my type of content, you can subscribe to my channel and see you to the next videos. Have a nice day.